इस बात के लिए आपसे सहमत हूं कि सैफुल्लाह के पिता ने जो एक भावना व्यक्त की है, ये राष्ट्र की भावना को प्रतिबिंबित करती है और हम सब उसका समर्थन करते हैं। लेकिन माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, आतंकवाद से कभी समझौता नहीं किया जा सकता और माननीय गृह मंत्री जी के ध्यान में सर 1 मिनट
my suggestion,
this is related.
I have a suggestion. No, I have my suggestion. You listen.
Yes, okay.
Ab suniye. My suggestion is this. I think there are other members also who want. Therefore, let us decide a clarification on the statement if necessary. Or if the House agree, we can take how now. Now that is all.
Normal procedure in the House. The normal procedure in the House is the minister makes a statement. There are clarifications that are sought.
So you can have one now.
Ask clarification.
Yeah. Now.
Sir, clarification.
Sir, it's a very serious.
I want only a consensus. That's all. I have no objection.
That's the normal practice. That's the normal practice that we have.
No, what I am confronted with is there are some 0-hour submissions which have already been committed and promised.
Correct.
So how do I go?
No. Now the point is, sir, in the 0-hour submissions that you have a list. At that time, you allowed the minister to make.
I see the point.
The point is the once the
I tell you.
made the statement.
See.
Once the minister
I
made
agree.
the statement.
No. That's not. It's not like that. Yechuri, ministers, we allow the ministers to make statement, but with regard to clarification, we decide a time. That is the point. If the House if House is the view that the discussion clarification should be now, then I can. Because I have a lot of pressure from members going 0 hour. So my suggestion is, we will have some other time for clarification. If you agree. No.
Sir, I have not finished.
No. The point is, if I allow, then I have.
Sir, I have a right.
No.
Sir,
Digvijay ji, I have to take a decision. Digvijay ji. No. I have to take a decision. No. It's not that. Your right is only when I have not permitted. No, I have not permitted. That's the issue. No, listen, see. Abjara Baiti. No, that's what I am saying. No. No, see. No. Digvijay ji, you are a senior member. Digvijay ji, Abaiti. I will allow you. I will allow you. Now, see. Abaiti. I will allow you, sit down. That's what I am seeing. My difficulty is that I have more than 12 notice of 0 hour and all those members are pressurizing. And no, that is only for laying. I said out the statement because, yes, it is always done like this. Statement will be allowed. Clarification will be at a time when we decide. We have not decided. No.
Correct, sir.
You give a suggestion.
Please, sir. Please. Bear with me for a minute.
Yeah.
Normally, what you said is correct if the statement is laid on the table. Now, the Honorable Minister read out the full statement.
Yeah.
He added on that on the basis of what the father said.
Yeah.
We all applauded.
No, that I have to allow. Not a controversy.
So you allow us to clarify.
No, I will decide. No, today itself we can have. Today itself we can have.
Right here, let the Home Minister tell the House which day he'll be available, whether it can be done today or the next day. But let that be decided.
Yeah. We can have clarification. Let us decide now itself.
Very serious matter.
Yeah, I have no objection. I have no objection in having clarification. But only thing is there should be a consensus. Now, Minister has no problem. We can go next day.
Sir, Honorable Minister should...
He has no objection. That is what I am trying.
चाय वाले 56 इंच का सीना रखने से कुछ नहीं होता, 4 इंच का दिल रख ले तो वो मर्द कहलाता है।